Good evening, all.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, Ritvik, I can hear you clearly.
Yeah. Sir, could you give me a minute, sir?
Yes, please. Oh, for what? Yes, good evening, all, beta. So, yes, and today we will solve a couple of JE questions related to the functions. And after the next class, we'll go with the, what you call that. Next class, we'll go with the next topic. And guys, after this class, I'll be sharing your worksheet, one more worksheet where you have pure JE questions, only JE questions. So you will not be having any type of basic questions over there. Only JE questions you will be having. So you have to follow in that way. All right. So and we have to go somewhat fast as well, so we cannot like go somewhat slow. Why I'm going slow in the sense, see, many of you are everyone should understand here. It is not like one is understanding and the other student is not understanding. Okay, so everyone please uh, you know every day follow every day. You just need to follow the classes. Already, if you are following the classes, yes, we can expect that, yeah, this student is following, so he has that much confidence. It is not like that. Yes, Johan was asking the doubts personally, so whenever he asked the personal doubts, so I respond. Johan, was there any case that I didn't respond you? Yeah, until and unless, yeah, I might have responded somewhat late than your expectation, but yeah. So but definitely I'll be responding to your questions within that particular time of period, so need not to worry much, beta. All right, so everyone should follow and ask the doubts. Abhinay, I request you to respond in the class. Anjali, you as well. Yes, you are responding, but I don't think so you are performing well in your exams. Yes, and Pravalika, you too, you are getting very less marks in the exams which you are attempting here, and make sure that you are preparing for that. It is not like just simply you're solving your college homework problems and not solving this. See, everyone, what you have to do here is do smart work. Everyone should do smart work here. Like your college has given some homework, and our tuition sir is giving some homework. It is not like that I'll not be able to do both of the things at a time. So don't think that I'm having so much of work, so I can't manage both the things at a time. It is not like that. So you,
I'm back, sir.
yes, so what you have to do here is you have to see, basically you have to think in a smart way. It is not like whatever the questions I'm giving you, I never ask you to solve at a time. So solve simultaneously, solve every day five problems. So that is fine. You be in touch with the problems. Every day five problems, 4 to 5 problems. That is enough. All right. So be in touch. Think smartly. Think smartly. ఏదో చేస్తున్నాం అన్నట్టు కాదు. Think smartly, please. All right. అర్థమవుతుందా? And yes, hope it is clear, and everyone must attempt the test whichever we are going to conduct tomorrow. So day after tomorrow, Sunday. Okay. mm, Today Thursday, right? So Saturday you'll be having class, and hereafter you will be having a class on Sunday as well. All right, hereafter you'll be having a class on Sunday as well. So weekly 4 hours you'll be having. So Sunday as well you'll be having your class. Sunday evening you'll be having. So Sunday will be having, every Sunday will be having class. If not, I'll be letting you know what should be done. All right. Hope it is clear. Chalo. So let me share the screen. Yes. And Johan, which topic you are going with your school side? Johan ji.
Sir, in Max 1A we are going through dot products, and 1B we are going through coordinate geometry, sir.
Okay, so coordinate geometry. See, basically, look at this here. Here, state board syllabus is different than CBSE syllabus, right? So we have a JE syllabus basically. Let me show it to you all. One second. Everyone, let me show the syllabus with you all. How many of you have JE PDF? Guys, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat it, the question again, sir? I didn't hear.
No, I'm asking that how many of you have JE syllabus PDF?
No, sir. Don't
No,
have.
sir, I don't. I mean, syllabus is already given 70% reduced syllabus for finals. For me.
Okay, it's already given. JE syllabus already given. I didn't get you. You're saying something?
Yeah, I was saying my final syllabus has already been released. 70% reduced syllabus.
Okay. See, okay, one second. Very good thing we have here. I think it is in my phone. And how many of you are aware of your JE syllabus? Like what exactly your JE syllabus? Guys, are you here? I'm asking you only.
I'm not aware, sir.
You are not aware of them. Guys, you must know the JE syllabus. One second, let me show it to you all. Just a minute. I'm getting a PDF actually. I don't know where it has gone. Just a minute. हाँ, मुझे PDF मिल गया. I got it, guys. Just a minute. Let me show it to you. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, सबके पास होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, आई विल बी शेयरिंग दिस PDF. ठीक है.
Are you sharing in the group?
No, I'll be showing you on. I'll share the screen and show it to you here. देखो.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so we will be following the syllabus accordingly. It is not like we have to go with your that and this atla do. So we will just go with our JE syllabus so that you will be able to understand it clearly. చూడండి ఇక్కడ. So why? Because why I'm telling is like CBSE and మీకు like applications of derivative CBSE people they have in class 12, but in board syllabus it you guys have in class 11 itself. So what we have to do here is like basically we need to follow as per the JE. Look at this here. So syllabus for JE Main 2021, syllabus for paper 1, mathematics, physics and chemistry, right? We are talking about mathematics right now. All right, so we'll talk about mathematics. So coming to the mathematics, look at this here. So in a set relations and function, what we need to learn actually. All right, so this is the function, the complex number and quadratic equation. So we just done with this complex number and quadratic equations also we done. And next, look at this here, matrices and determinants. Matrices and determinants is the class 12 syllabus, isn't it, for CBSE, as per the CBSE program. So permutation and combination we have to start with. Okay, limits and continuity we have done. Okay, permutation and continuity we didn't do. This we didn't do. Look at this. Sequence and series we have done. Okay. Binomial theorem we have to do. Mathematical inductions we have to do. And integral calculuses we have to start. It is a class 12 syllabus. Differential equation class 12. Coordinate geometry. Yeah. In coordinate geometry, straight lines we have done. We have solved JE questions related to that as well. Three-dimensional geometry. Look at this. Circles, conics we have to start. Three-dimensional geometry. Yeah, we have to start. And vector algebra also we have to start. Statistics and probability. Statistics we have done class 11, and probability we have to start. Trigonometry we have done. Mathematical reasoning, very simple actually. So we have to say, tautology is what, contradiction is what, converse contrapositive is what. Very simple actually. Chala simple, easily we can just go through. Okay, so this is what, look at this. Total 16 units ఉన్నాయి కదా, then the 16 units. So what are the units we have to go for? Look at this. ఇప్పుడు మీరు క్లాస్ 12 వదిలేయండి. 12th you are not in 12th, right? Just talk about only 11th. So from the 11th, what are the topics we didn't cover? Tell me. State board అయినా చెప్పండి, CBSE అయినా చెప్పండి. Like even state board syllabus and CBSE people, you can tell
So
me
can we
what
go with the permutations and combinations?
definitely permutation and combination we left with. And any topic we binomial theorem, you have binomial theorem, both of you, like in CBSE you have in the class 11. What about
Remember, it's deleted portion this year.
look at this, ma, this is not deleted. It is deleted for your term 1 exam, NCERT exam, not for JE.
Yes.
All right, hope it is clear. For JE it will be there, it will be there. Don't think that it has been deleted. Don't say that it has been deleted. Hello, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is there for JE.
Yes, sir. It's there for JE.
So look at this. Tell me, state board students, you must tell me what are the topics we have to cover for you from your topic. చెప్పండి, matrices and determinants మనం చెప్పాలి, అవునా కదా? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Matrices and determinants we have to do. Permutations and combinations we have to do. Matrices and determinants, this is for class 12. CBSE వాళ్ళకి తీసుకుంటే class 12, కానీ మనం ఇప్పుడే కవర్ చేస్తాం దీన్ని. అర్థమవుతుందా అంజలి? ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఈజీ యాక్చువల్లీ. క్లాస్ 12 సిలబస్ ఏంటి సార్ మీరు క్లాస్ 11లో చెప్తున్నారంటే, సి లెట్ మీ గివ్ ఎ క్లారిటీ ఓవర్ హియర్ దట్ థింగ్ విచ్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ విత్, దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ యువర్ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ట్యూషన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. దిస్ ఇస్ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫర్ JE coaching. ठीक है,
Yes,
JE
sir.
coach, your basics should be very strong for solving JE question. అందుకని చెప్పి I'm just clearing your basic all the things. So once you start with solving JE questions, you should not feel difficulties over there, which means you should understand, you should apply yourself very easily. That's why we should go for that. So matrices and determinants also we can start actually. Permutations and combinations we have just left with. ఇంకా ఏమేం చాప్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఇంకా లిమిట్స్ అండ్ కంటిన్యూటీ we have done. Sequence and series చెప్పేసాను. ఇంకా
Applications of derivatives.
applications of derivatives. Okay, application of derivatives we will start that too will start. In application of derivatives, like I think for CBSE children, rate of change of quantity, they have deleted that. Approximation they have deleted.
Okay.
You have to go for is like tangent and normal, maximum, minimum, and increasing decreasing function. Only 3 topics you're supposed to learn from the application of derivatives for CBSE. For CBSE, if you just look after CBSE syllabus that has been given in class 12, for class 11th, if I'm not wrong, it is in class 11th syllabus itself, isn't it? Johan, you are asking the roads from application of derivatives only, right?
Yes,
Johan,
sir.
yeah. So first we'll go for that. And look at this, coming to limits, continuity, and differentiability, we have done with the limit, continuity, and differentiability. In differentiability, look at this here. If you compare what you call CBSE syllabus, Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem has been deleted for your term syllabus. But JE syllabus, look at this, it has been included. ఇక్కడ అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికి, ఇక్కడ బోర్డ్ సిలబస్ JE సిలబస్ సేమ్ ఉండదమ్మా. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, JE సిలబస్ ని ముందు పెట్టాను, అంత డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? బైనామిల్ థియరీ అక్కడ తీసి పడేశాడు, ఇక్కడ బైనామిల్ థియరీ ఉంది చూడండి. You have binomial theorem here, but for your term syllabus you don't have binomial syllabus. So please, I'll be sharing this PDF. I thought you guys aware of what exactly JE syllabus is all about. నేను అదే అనుకున్నాను, కాకపోతే మీరు JE syllabus తెలియదు అంటున్నారు. అందుకని ఇగో 10-15 minutes ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకోవడం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇట్లాంటి ఇగో ఈ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఇండక్షన్స్ కానీ, లైక్ లెట్ మీ షో యూ వన్ సెకండ్. మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఇండక్షన్స్, అరే యార్, one second, let me just move with this. మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఇండక్షన్స్ కానీ ఈ మ్యాథమెటికల్ రీజనింగ్ కానీ ఈవెన్ సింపుల్ లైక్ ఈజీ స్కోరింగ్ టాపిక్ లైక్ యూ కెన్ స్కోర్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టాపిక్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ యాక్చువల్లీ మ్యాథమెటికల్ రీజనింగ్ ఏముంటుంది అమ్మ చిన్న రీజనింగ్ ఎప్పుడైనా వినే ఉంటారు పేరు రీజనింగ్ లాగా ఉంటుంది అనమాట సింపుల్ గా. ఇగో ఈ టాటాలజీ, కాంట్రాడిక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటిది, కాన్వర్స్ అంటే కౌంటర్ పాజిటివ్ అంటే ఏంటిది, కౌంటర్ పాజిటివ్ అంటే పిఎస్క్యూ ఉన్నప్పుడు నెగేషన్ క్యూ ఆఫ్ నెగేషన్ పి ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది. నేను ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత చెప్తాను, మీరు చాలా సింపుల్గా ఉంటుంది టాపిక్, ఈజీలీ యూ కెన్ స్కోర్. నేను మీకు అనలైజ్ కూడా చెప్తాను, అంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ అనలైజ్ ఫ్రమ్ వేదాంత్ ఐ గాట్ దాట్. సో ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ టాపిక్ like what are that ఇప్పుడు first of all if you take a quadratic equation from which topic particularly we could expect the questions, JEE questions, అర్థమవుతుందా? So that is also I'm going to show in this session. So yeah, no actually what happened was today I just spoke to Manoj sir. Actually we had discussed in the regard of this, so I thought of discussing about JEE syllabus and the analyze for preparing for JEE syllabus. So what topic should be given more priority and which topic should given for least priority. So first yeah, that is what అవి మీరు prioritization చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ. prioritization which topic should be prepared first, ఏ టాపిక్ కి ఎక్కువ కాన్సంట్రేట్ ఏ టాపిక్ నుంచి ఎక్కువ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, you must prepare for that. If you are not good at that topic, if you are good at the topic where you are getting one question, there is no point of having like that. Yes, you will still have an advantage, but ఇప్పుడు matrices and determinant తీసుకుంటే కంపల్సరీ మినిమం 3 to 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 3 to 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కంపల్సరీ. అట్లాంటి టాపిక్ వదిలేసి ఇచ్చిన రీజనింగ్ టాపిక్ పట్టుకొని ఈజీ ఉన్న టాపిక్ ని నాకు అదే కావాలని పట్టుకుంటే రాదు కదా, అవునా కదా? నేను చెప్తే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తున్నాను. సో మేక్ షూర్ దట్ యు గైస్ ఆర్ గివింగ్ మోర్ ప్రయారిటీ టు ద టాపిక్ విచ్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఆల్రైట్, ఇక్కడ అన్ని ఫిజిక్స్ కెమిస్ట్రీ కూడా ఉంది సిలబస్. దీనిలో ఫిజిక్స్ కెమిస్ట్రీ, ఈవెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఫిజిక్స్ అండ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. ఐ విల్ బి షేరింగ్ దిస్ పీడిఎఫ్, ఐ విల్ అటాచ్ హియర్ అండ్ లెట్ మీ సీ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ లాస్ట్. ఇది బీఆర్ వాళ్ళకు, ఇదిగో మళ్ళీ కింద ఇచ్చాడు కదా, ఇది ఇక్కడ ఏం సార్ ఇది మళ్ళీ 2 సార్లు ఇచ్చాడు మ్యాథ్స్ సిలబస్. ఇది బీఆర్ వాళ్ళకి, మీకు కాదు. ఓకేనా? మీరందరూ బీటెక్ కదా చేసేది, ఇంజనీరింగే కదా మరి అదే అందరూ. చూడండి ఇక్కడ బీటెక్ వాళ్ళకి ఈ సిలబస్, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను అది చూపిస్తాను. JEE main analysis. Look at this. This is what we got from Vedantu actually. So one of my friend has shared to me this most repeated topics of algebra. So what do algebra is most repeated topic? What are the topics repeated majorly from algebra he is talking about? So let us have a discuss. Miranda, I'll not be sharing this PDF probably, so you have to note down this. You have to note down this, please. If you want me to share, I'll share, but yeah, still make sure that you are noting somewhere, like note చేసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? సో సీక్వెన్స్ అండ్ సిరీస్. ఫస్ట్ సపోజ్ లుక్ at how briefly, how in what depth is discussing. Now what are the topics, separate topics? Look at subtopics. These are subtopics. First suppose if I talk about sequence and series, so topic name and year from past 4 years is comparing. గత 4 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే చూడండి 2020 లో ఎన్ని వచ్చాయి? ఏపీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నుంచి చూడండి 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి. 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒక్క సంవత్సరంలోనే, 1 year లో. అంటే సార్ ఒక్క షిఫ్ట్ లోనే 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయంటే కాదు, షిఫ్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి మళ్ళీ, తెలుసు కదా. జనవరి షిఫ్ట్ లో మళ్ళీ మార్నింగ్ షిఫ్ట్ అని, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ షిఫ్ట్ అని, అట్లా 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. అంటే చిన్న టాపిక్ కాదు కదా, పెద్ద టాపికే. 8 look at this here. 14 in 2020 you got 8 questions. AM/GM inequality you got 2 questions. GP problems 3 questions. All right, and if you compare like AGP, you are getting 6 problems over here. You are getting 6 problems over here. So look at this here. We are just going with what? We are just going with individual topics as well. So topic wise analysis has been given here. So that is very, very important. Dekho, sequence and series. If you talk about AP problems, AP problems is nothing but arithmetic problems. 14 problems, they have, asked. Like, if you compare, individually, dekho, kaise dekh sakte hai isko? Dekho, 2020 mein kitna? 8 questions. In 2020, they have asked 8 questions. on AMGM, arithmetic mean and geometric mean inequality, I have given a pure JEE notes where you can exactly look after JEE questions. From if you are looking at that, I'm sure you would be in a position, you would be in a position to attempt JEE question. Yes, I don't say that you will definitely solve, you will if you follow that notes 100% आपको answer मिल जाएगा. I never say that, but and what I'm trying to say here is, yes, you understand the language of the question, you can apply that. It completely depends. Once you start, once you get the logic, yes, after that it is completely depends on you, that how quickly and how smartly you're solving the question. It is completely depends on your practice, how you are practicing. All right, but language of the question you will be able to understand once you look at my notes. Number 2 point is what? You will get the logic. Yes, what should be done, what kind of formula we must apply here in terms of getting quickly. All right, that confidence you will get from the notes. Please just have a look after that. Yes, Ritvik and Johan, you guys have joined, and Devanjika as well, if I'm not wrong. Devanjika is here? No, Devanjika is not here. I think Devanjika are here? No, she's not here.
I don't see someone named Devanjika.
Fine. Look at this, leave it. Yeah, so yeah, you guys have joined recently, right? You guys have joined when I started functions. So you guys make sure that please go through sequence and series how the notes is. And if you're not able to find that, you can just go through the Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, if you go through sequence and series section, you can get notes from there. All right, yes, so this is how the section what do you call that, topic wise analysis of JEE question every year JEE question analysis they go. All right, so AGP problem 6, GP problems 3 problems, arithmetic mean and geometric mean 2 problems. All right, now we'll go for the next topic, matrices and determinants. చూడండి ఇక్కడ matrices and determinants కి ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇస్తున్నాడు వాడు. చూడండి ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ అంటే the most important topic of JEE means. So whomever you ask, whomever the faculty you ask, whatever అతనికి 30 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్న అతను అడగండి, అతను ఏం చెప్తాడంటే matrices and determinants చదువుకోకుండా ఎగ్జామ్ రాయొద్దని చెప్తాడు క్లియర్ గా. సో చూడండి ఇక్కడ matrices and determinants నేను ఎందుకు చెప్తాను, నేను టైం పాస్ చెప్పట్లే కదా, టైం పాస్ ఇక్కడ మీకు ముందర నంబర్స్ చూస్తున్నాయి కదా, just you can see the numbers. Look at this matrix multiplication. Simply if you multiply matrices, look, based upon the multiplication of matrices, you got 3 questions in 2020 year. 3 questions, and it is, don't think that 3 questions you got in one shift alone. So that 3 questions from all shifts. Hope you understand. So system of equations 11. Just we'll go through that. What exactly the system of equations? We'll just know. We'll yet to.
So shall we do the matrices chapter then?
Yeah, why not? Definitely.
Yeah.
Why not? We will just go with that, but one by one. We cannot start one guy is saying Anjali is asking for form P and C and you are asking for matrix.
Yeah. We'll decide by the majority of people.
Exactly. That's great. Look at this here. System of equations 11, and then properties of determinant 3 questions. Look at this here. I'm telling you that system of equations నుంచి 11 questions అంటే 11 questions हमको देखने को मिल रहा है. देखो 11 questions, 110% you can expect minimum 2 to 3 questions, minimum 2 to 3 questions from this topic. All right, yes. So how important, look at this. Now quadratic equations also have been telling you the same. Look at this, quadratic equations based basics, sum and product of roots. Product of roots क्या होता है, देखो formula छोटा yeah, very simple. Look at this here, from 2020 questions they got 10 questions. Based upon that, actually I have given for this topic also I have given the notes. All right, and common roots నుంచి 2 questions. Common roots కి రెండు formulas ఉంటాయి. You'll be having 2 formulas basically when you have both roots
means solutions, right sir?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, yeah,
look at this here. So
that's simple.
Yeah, that's simple. Common root is nothing but what, you have only 2 formulas. మీకు రెండే formulas ఉంటాయి. You just have only 2 formulas. For common roots. When the roots are in common, what exactly the formula you need to apply? When both the roots are in common, what exactly the formula you need to apply? Very simple. If you remember that, see, basically for JEE thing you need to remember a lot of things. Yes sir, remembering నేను గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే అయిపోతుందా? Yes, you have to understand the process behind getting that proof, but no one is going to ask you for the proof, right? So no one ever అడగరు మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా చేసావు, at last at the end of the stage he would be asking you for the option, which option is going to be correct. That is what he is going to be consider it, until and unless he is asking you to prove, it's not required. Yes, so So you have to remember the formula and just apply it. This is how you need to follow smartly for your competitive exam. All right. Yes. Now sign and range problem chudandi 3 questions. Okay. So yeah. So next, if I move for the next topic, look at it, is a complex number. It's one of the very important and one of the easiest, in quadratic equations and complex numbers are very easy actually. All right. Sir, anni easy అని చెప్తున్నా మరి ఏది toughest? అన్ని ఈజీ అని చెప్తున్నా ఇది toughest? Yes, believe me, it's a very easy basic calculation operations of mathematics ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. If you just know the concept, all you need to do is operations of mathematics, plus minus multiplication, and just you have to be smart and you have to be so fast at calculation. Yes. All right, now look at this. Basics and algebra of complex number. Basic ante properties of algebra, you can say properties of complex number. అవి ఉంటాయి కదా, ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ తెలుసా? బేసిక్స్ నుంచి 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. I'm talking about only 2020. Look after 2019, 2017, 2018 as well. Look at this. 2018 నుంచి మనకి ఏం క్వశ్చన్స్ రాలేదు. ఇక్కడ నుంచి బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ నుంచి ఏం క్వశ్చన్ రాలేదు, ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ కాంజుగేట్ నుంచి ఏం రాలేదు, పోలార్ అండ్ యూలర్ ఫార్మ్ నుంచి ఏం రాలేదు, క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ యూనిటీ నుంచి కూడా మనకి ఏమి రాలేదు. ఆల్రైట్, లుక్ అట్ దిస్ హియర్. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ కంపేర్ 2020లో చూడండి, మొత్తం కథ రివర్స్ అయిపోయింది. దట్ ఎంటైర్ ద స్టోరీ బికెమ్ as reverse. Look at this major questions. Look at this argument and conjugate 4 questions, polar and Euler form 1. So cube root of unity 1. Cube root of unity అయితే అసలు అది ఒక 7th క్లాస్ అబ్బాయి అయినా చేసేస్తాడు, అంత సింపుల్ ఉంటుంది. నేను చెప్పాను కదా, we have discussed this cube root of unity. I have given a notes in the form of PDF. Please go through that. Complex number. So that's how. Now binomial theorem. Look at this binomial theorem, general term and binomial coefficient. You got 10 questions. In 19 one question. ఆల్రైట్. సరే, ఇక్కడ 19, 20, 18, 17 ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఎక్కువ క్వశ్చన్ రిపీట్ చేయలేదంటే, గైస్ ఇన్ 20 దిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వై ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయంటే, అప్పటి నుంచి 4 షిఫ్ట్స్ అయిపోయింది కదా జేఈ మెయిన్స్. ఇన్ ద 2020 లైక్ దే హ్యావ్ కండక్టెడ్ 4 షిఫ్ట్స్. సో సమ్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దోస్ 4 షిఫ్ట్స్ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అవుతున్నాయి. అవునా? ఇన్ 2020లో 4 సార్లు కండక్ట్ చేశారు ఎగ్జామ్. అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికి? ఇక్కడ నా భాష అర్థమవుతుందా గైస్? ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్? హలో పీపుల్.
Yes, sir. We can understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what. Look at this. ఇక్కడ 4 ఎగ్జామ్లు కండక్ట్ చేశారు కాబట్టి అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి. నేను చెప్తాను గైస్, ద రీజన్ బిహైండ్ డిస్కసింగ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆల్ ఈస్ లెట్ us అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద టాపిక్, హౌ డెప్త్ we must go for that topic. ఆల్ రైట్, దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. నేను ప్రాక్టికల్ గా ఎన్ని నంబర్స్ మీ కళ్ళ ముందు పెడుతున్నాను. ఇక మీ యూ హ్యావ్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్స్, యూ హ్యావ్ ద నంబర్, you have number in front of your eyes so that you can feel, yes, this topic is very important, we must focus on this. But it is not that key, like it is not that key the topic which you are getting more questions, you have to learn that topic alone and leave other topics. Yes, prioritization, which means you have to give a first priority to that particular topic which you are getting more questions from. All right. Yes. Now questions on properties nunchi 4 questions vachindi. So like look at this 4 questions, which means 4 questions means every shift lo oka question vachindi. You will be having 4 shifts, right? Like you'll be having 2 shifts in a day, which means 2 రోజుల్లో, and in the month of Jan and in the month of February, make in 2 months you got a question from properties, binomial theorem nunchi. So very important this topic as well. Look at this. Now if I talk about PNC is nothing but permutation and combination. All right. Now arrangement problems, 5 problems. Selection problems, 3 problems. All right. Arrangement 5 problems and selection 3 problems. Arrangement మనం permutation లో మాట్లాడతాం, selection combination లో మాట్లాడతాం. అవునా? So we'll discuss. All right, we'll discuss that as well. We have to yet to start that topic. So yeah, next, probability అంటే you might have learned from class 9th and 10th as well. Ante I'm not saying that you
Yes,
have
sir.
learned 100%. I'm not saying that you have learned 100% about the topic. Yes,
Yeah.
you might have heard,
But we at least are familiar with the topic.
yes, at least you are familiar with that particular terminology of the particular topic. In probability మీకు కొన్ని technical terms ఉంటాయి కదా, what is sample space, what is event. All right.
Yes, sir.
Favorable outcome is what is unfavorable outcome, what is conditional probability. అవన్నీ మీకు conditional probability you will be learning in class 11th, but you should know, like you might have known about the basic thing, right? Yes, conditional
Yes, sir.
probability
Since 9th
important.
class.
Yes, conditional probability very important. So this is what you got 3 questions from here. And binomial distribution, you got 3 questions. See, this binomial distribution again you got here. Same thing what you learned from the binomial theorem, you are going to apply. Like not exact concept, but the formula, the concept which you have learned from there, you will be applying over there. All right. Yes. Next, coming to the statistics. Look at this. Statistics nunchi note, in every paper 1 question is fixed. Dekho, mean, variance, standard deviation, and mean deviation, magic table. ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రతి ఒక్క పేపర్ నుంచి 1 క్వశ్చన్ ఫిక్స్డ్ అట. చూడండి, ఇంకా మీరు దీన్ని చదవాలా వదిలేయాలా ఇంకా మీ మీద డిసైడ్ అయి ఉంది అది. అంటే ప్రతి టాపిక్ లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అంటే కంపల్సరీ చదవాల్సిందే కదా. అంత గ్రాండ్ గా చెప్తున్నాడు, అంత గ్రాండ్ అంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ తో చెప్తున్నాడు వాడు. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ హియర్ ఆల్సో, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్, 1 క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ ఫిక్స్డ్. మ్యాథమెటికల్ రీజనింగ్ ఏముండదమ్మా, మ్యాథమెటికల్ రీజన్ ఇస్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ యువర్ కామన్ సెన్స్. యూ నీడ్ టు అప్లై యువర్ కామన్ సెన్స్. కామన్ సెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటిది? జస్ట్ ఆలోచించి పెట్టాల్సిన ఆప్షన్స్. జస్ట్ చాలా సింపుల్ ఉంటుంది, చాలా సింపుల్ ఉంటుంది. ఎస్, విల్ లెర్న్ దట్ టాపిక్ యాజ్ వెల్. ఆల్ రైట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, మోస్ట్ రిపీటెడ్ టాపిక్స్ ఆఫ్ క్యాలిక్యులస్. క్యాలిక్యులస్ లో మనం క్యాలిక్యులస్ ఎక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసాం? ఎనీవన్ ఆఫ్ యూ కెన్ ఎనీవన్ ఆఫ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ, ఎక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసాం? చెప్పాలి నాకు. అభినయ చెప్తుంది. ఎస్ అభినయ చెప్పాలి బేటా. ఏమేమి నేర్చుకున్నావు క్యాలిక్యులస్ ఇప్పటి వరకు? చెప్పాలి, కమాన్, మేక్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్. ఎస్
Sir, we did not start calculus.
మరి దాని ఏమంటారు? డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ నేర్చుకోలేదు మనం.
లిమిట్స్, డిఫరెన్షియేషన్,
Yes, sir.
కంటిన్యూటీ.
మరి అదంతా దేనికి కిందకి వస్తుంది మరి? All right, yes. Okay, so most repeated topics of calculus. Look at this. So if I talk about, look at this. So limits, if I talk about limits, look at this. Limit extends to a, f of x to the power of g of x, function to the power of functions, and the form which is in the form of 0 to the power of 0, infinite to the power of 0, and 1 to the power of infinite. So the question which is in the form of 0 to the power of 0 and infinite to the power of 0, 1 to the power of infinite. So based upon that, sort of topics, you got 2 questions from 2020. And LH rule is like a cakewalk. If you know differentiation, LH rule is like very easy actually. The LH rules can be applied when you have 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite form. No, you have to just differentiate separately, the differentiation of the numerator separately and differentiation of the denominator separately, and just go with your basic calculation by applying the properties which has been given in the limits. All right, so very simple LH rule as well. Now continuity and differentiability, you just got 6 questions. Look at this here, continuity and differentiability, 6 questions. So from that, so now if I talk about next topic, differentiation. Now look at this, differentiation from different chain rule, you got 4 questions. Implicit differentiation, 2 questions. Parametric differentiation, 1 question. Higher order derivative, 3 questions. Look at this here, chain rule, you have a formula. When you apply chain rule, when the function is not in standard form, you will be applying chain rule there. All right, implicit function, explicit function, 2 questions. Parametric form differentiation is nothing but what? When you have x is equal to something and y is equal to something, for finding dy by dx by using from those 2 functions. Look at this, he will be giving you x function and y function. All right, so from this you need to find out dy by dx, which means what you have to do, you have to differentiate this function with respect to whatever the variable given over there. You have to differentiate this function with respect to whatever the variable given. So after that, the differentiation of this divided by differentiation of this, that's how we can solve parametric form questions actually. All right, yes. And next, higher order derivative, double derivative, triple derivative, you can go on. All right, yes. So look at this, major questions every year they have asked one question, so that is also very important. Differentiation also very important. Yes, next coming to the AOD, asalaina topic, I mean, like very important. So very important. Applications of derivatives, Rolle's theorem, 2 questions. Lagrange's mean value theorem, 3 questions. Tangent and normal problems, very important. This is a very important, easy one. Tangent and normal, very easy one. See, if you know the straight line basics, you can just easily crack this. If you know straight line basics means when 2 lines are parallel, what would be their slopes? When 2 lines are perpendicular, what would be their slopes? If you know those sort of basics, you can just solve this tangent and normal problems very easily. All right, hope it is clear. So from that 6 problems, look at it, that is a very important topic from application of derivatives. Now increasing decreasing problems, 4 questions. Local maxima, local minima problems, look at it, 5 questions. Rate change problems, 3 questions. So which means what you understood from this? First, from this topic, from this application of derivatives, tangent and normal is very important. After that, maxima, minima, and increasing decreasing, after the rate change problems. Now if I talk about indefinite different integration, if I talk about this, you don't understand now. So Yes, substitution from substitution 11, 6 questions, and by parts 1 question. So from that, this topic will be, from your class 12th actually. So we'll discuss it later, no problem. Now definite integration also, that is the same thing from, application of integration class 12 syllabus on differential equations. Most repeated topic of, vector and 3D. Okay, sir. From vector algebra, so dot and cross products, 4 questions, scalar triple product 3 questions, vector triple product 2 questions, projection. See, clearly he has given a subtopics from that. What topic, like how many questions you are getting, from which topic, how many questions they have asked year by, like, sir, again and again I'm telling you, from 2020 you have got more numbers since they have conducted 4 times in that particular year. All right. Yes. Now 3D geometry, look at this equation applies all, in 3D geometry, and what you call this, vector algebra, formulas. You'll be having such a lot of formulas over there. Remember the formulas, apply the concept. Remember the formulas, apply the concept. Yes, we'll discuss each and every concept in a detailed way, and we'll give you the tricks how can we remember the formulas as well. All right. 3D-dimensional geometry. So 3D-dimensional geometry, equation of plane passing through the point and a point and parallel to the plane. So 4 questions. Distance between line and plane 2. Intersection of planes 1 question. Yeah. So from this, what you understood, this is very important. This topic is very important. Dekho. All right. Yes. So yeah, if you want, I'll just share you the syllabus as well. Look at this here. I have gone through the syllabus as well, and we are just going for this, what you call it, analysis as well. Trigonometry. Now trigonometry, you ask me, before getting to the trigonometry, before getting to we never discussed before, like we never analyzed before chapter wise. This is the first time we are analyzing, if I'm not wrong. Have we ever analyzed like this?
No, sir.
No. All right, so no problem. Look at the most repeated topics of trigonometry. See, trigonometry, I don't think, look at this here. Yeah, you may expect a question, like the maximum you will get, but if you're not getting any question, but trigonometry is the topic, like you should not leave. Formulas, whichever the topic you take, trigonometry formulas would help you a lot. Whichever the topic you take, trigonometry formulas will help you like anything. Believe me, trigonometry formulas, without trigonometry formulas, you will, I'm telling you, lot of questions cannot be solved. If you do not know properly trigonometry formulas, you will not be able to solve the questions related to many topics. Let's say differentiation, I would say differentiation, like integration. So wherever you take trigonometry formulas would be involved. So make sure that you guys are be fit, like you should know the perfectly formulas related to trigonometry. All right. So if I talk about trigonometry equations, 4 questions, inverse trigonometry functions 4 questions, height and distance 4 questions. All right, look at this. Next, most repeated from coordinate geometry. Look at the equation of plane 7 questions, image of point 2 questions, area of a triangle 2 questions. I think you might have done straight lines topic. Straight lines you might have done.
Yes, sir.
All right, V2 solved for here. And conics section. In conics, like you will be having like 3 topics: ellipse, hyperbola, and parabola. All right. So like look at this. 12 questions from ellipse, 12 questions ellipse. See how important that topic is. 2019 also 9 questions. See how important the topic is. Look at this now here. In hyperbola, they have asked 6 questions in 2020, and 2019 they have asked 11 questions. All right. So parabola, in 2019 also you had like 4 shifts. In 2019 also you had 4 shifts. So hyperbola 6 and 11 questions from 2020 and 2019, and parabola 12. All right. Yes. So very important topic. Now if I talk about, yes, so 1 second. So this is what the analysis. I'll be sharing you the notes, need not to worry. So hope you might have got some idea about that. All right. So now from this, what did you understand the topic whichever we were discussing, that matrices and application of derivatives was very important. Like major questions you got, and conic section from coordinate geometry, conic section. All right. So we must start, and after that 3D geometry and vector algebra. All right. So yeah, so we will finish our functions lesson with today's class or tomorrow's class probably, and hereafter you'll be having a classes on Sundays as well. So make sure that everyone is joining every class. And if you are not going through the if you're not able to join the particular class, please make sure that you guys are watching the recording video. All right. Yes. Chalo. Without any delay, now let's have a look at the questions. 1 second. I just gave you the homework questions. If I'm not wrong, how many have you done with I just gave a couple of questions to you solved. How many have you done with this? How many have you done with that? Just can you please raise your hand? Make it fast. Make it fast. One second, children. Yes, can you please respond? I'm asking you only. I have given a question. Are you here? What's happening? Can you please respond here?
Sir, I didn't do.
Why, beta? Tell me why. Why?
Sir, you didn't give any questions.
Like, I just give this question, right? Square root of modulus of x square minus 3 step of x plus 2. And and see, I have not got a response of that worksheet from everyone. I don't know how many of you have solved, like have been asking, but none of you are responding properly. Yes, worksheet problems, I'll be sharing again only pure JEE question worksheet I'll be sharing today, and the basics for solving those JEE questions already been shared. And many of you that day asked, many of you didn't solve. I still gave the time, but still many of you didn't came to me and not responding on that. Every day I can't ask on the same thing. Yes, how many of you solved this question? What is the domain? I asked domain of this function. We have 3 golden rules. I told you. What are the 3 golden rules? What are the 3 golden rules? Make it fast. Batao, 3 golden rules for finding a domain of the function. Tell me the answer. You must quickly now. Come on. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. See, if you don't solve these basic questions, beta, aapko, you will not be able to solve the JEE questions. Why? Because we are taking this bit like the small questions. All this summation of all these some questions becomes a big question. So this sort of questions you would be able to see. You can able to see in big questions actually. Big questions means when you are solving a question in between you will get this type of things. Then you have to solve. All right. So tell me the answer now. You can tell me the answer quickly. Square root function. When you have square root function, what should be the condition?
Greater or equal to 0.
Then tell me the answer. You're right. Array, look at this. What is the rule? What is the rule for finding a domain? Tell me. If I have a square root, inside the square root, I have an expression. That here expression must be greater than or equal to 0. That's what we told. That's what we discussed. Now look at this. Here, what should be the
एक minute. What should be the condition? Here should be greater than or equal to 0. So now look at this. Let me say this is like no k square minus 3k plus 2. I'm taking the step x function as k. Look at this. I'm just taking this as k. I'm considering step x function as k. K. All right. Yes. So k square minus 3k plus 2, which is greater than or equal to 0. Yes or no? Anjali ji, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Yes or no? Are you able to understand here? Look at this. Now,
Yes,
if you
sir.
factorize, so what we will get? K square minus 2k minus k.
Minus k plus 2 equal.
What are the factors? So if I take k common, k minus 2, if I take
Minus
2
k,
common,
one,
minus
yeah,
2
minus
is
1.
greater than or equal to 0. All right. So look at this now. If I take k minus 2 again, so k minus 1, which is greater than or equal to 0. Now tell me. So what should be applied here? Beta, like from this, what can I apply? Simple. What can I
K
apply?
is equal to 2 and K is equal to 1.
Sorry.
Not equal to, it's greater than or equal to, right?
It is a positive interval. Look at this here.
So it's
Can I apply
greater than-
Bavik method here?
So sir, it's greater than and equal to, right? So we could just take it as equal to.
I didn't get you. Can you speak loudly, beta?
Sir, no, I'm wrong, sir.
Yes. We can apply Bavik method. Tell me, apply Bavik method and tell me the domain. Make it fast. Guys, I have given you enough hint. I have given you enough hint. After this, you need to solve. What are the critical points I got here? 1 and 2. So I can apply Bavik method here since I have odd powers and my coefficient of k square is positive. So plus, minus, plus. I have taught you the trick. We need only what? We need only here greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to only positive. Only positive region I need. So from this, you need to tell me the answer. Not now. This is a homework question. Just go home and decide the answer again. Okay. So I'm going to ask you in the Saturday's class. Definitely. I'm going to ask you. We'll go for the next question. Hope it is clear. Please pass here. Solve it. Don't think now. I can't waste my time now. Please be seated at home and tell me the answer. Okay. Till this, everyone can solve easily. And deciding the answer is very important. The topic which we have gone through, the shortcuts whichever we have gone through, please decide from that. All right. Yes. Chalo. Next question. Dekho. Next question. Y is equal to model square root of, find the domain of this. Find the domain of this. Domain of, make it fast. Same funda.
So x into
Sorry,
1 minus 1.
didn't get you. Tell me the final answer. Easy. Usually you can tell the answer here.
The x into 1 minus 1, that's the solution.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Make it fast.
If we're talking the solution of that equation, x into x. No, I'm wrong, sir. Never mind.
I didn't get you. Can you speak loudly, Ritvik?
Yeah, I said wrong, sir. Never mind.
Which one wrong?
I said x into 1 minus 1. That's wrong.
No. X minus step x. Step x, this is a greatest integer function here. Greatest integer function. I told you what exactly the greatest integer function. And I asked Ritvik to go through the recording videos. How many videos, how many recording videos you have gone through, Ritvik?
1.
Which video you have gone through?
I think the 30 something.
I'm asking you, beta, what was the content in that video? Look at this here. Tell me, Ritik, are you here? Ritvik,
Yes, I'm here.
what was the content in that video? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes, Ritvik, please, if you didn't go through it, please go through. Please go through the videos. Until and unless you watch the recording videos, you never understand. All right, no problem. Look at this here. So here, look at this. Square root of expression. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Now this can be written as like this. Now this is true for or what? And very simple, very simple, very simple. By looking at that, you can tell me the answer. Tell me, common sense. Hello. What are the possible values of x here?
X. Chal.
No. Here x can belongs to r. Could be like whatever the real number you just put it out there. Whatever real number you put it out there, it definitely will be satisfied.
True,
Look at
true.
this. Let me tell you an example. Look at this. Let us verify this. Look at this. X greater than or equal to step x I told. First suppose x I'm taking like 5. All right, 5 greater than or equal to step 5. Now look at this, whether this can, if I simplify this, 5 equal to step x of 5, greatest integer of 5 is what? 5 only. So 5 can be equal to 5. Yes, I'm satisfied with this. Now if I take one more case, let's say that 6.9. I'm just talking about this case. Look at this. If I take x value as 6, so 6 can be greater than what? Or else you take x, if you take x value as 6.9. If you take x value as 6.9, look at this here. 6.9 would be greater than or equal to step x. 6.9 is what? 6.9 would be greater than, what is the greatest integer of 6.9? What is the greatest integer of 6.9? Hello?
6.
Look at it. 6.9 is of course greater than 6 only, right? Yes, satisfying or not? So which means what?
Yes, sir.
Not only this one, like whatever the value you take, but they go. First of all, let's say that you have 2.3 as x. Look at substitute 2.3 greater than or equal to step x of 2.3. So 2.3 would be greater than 2.3. Greatest integer of 2.3 is 2. So look at this, 2.3 is of course greater than or equal to 2. So which means what? What is my domain now? X belongs to R. How many of you understood this? How quickly we can solve this question? Why you are taking this much of time? All right. Clear? Is it clear with everyone or not? Make it fast. We'll go for the next one.
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Look at this. Now we'll discuss about a couple of properties related to this one. Properties of greatest. Let me write, instead of writing greatest integer function, let me write in a short way. Greatest integer function. All right. Yes, properties of greatest integer function. Look at this, beta. This is a superb important property. Look at this. Step x. First property, let me write. Step of minus x, which gives you two values. Let me write. This is 0 and 1. It is for x belongs to z. It is also when x is not belongs to z. Alright, this is minus 1. Okay. Yes, let me just explain you this. Now look at this. First, suppose example. Look at this. Let me write one more property and then we'll go for example. If k belongs to z, then if x plus this k kya hoga? Step of x plus k. All right, this is what the properties which you should know, all right, which you know actually, which you must know. All right, first if I talk about example, look at this. Step x, positive step x plus negative of step x, then it gives you 0 and minus 1. 0 gives you when x is belongs to z, minus 1 gives you when x is not belongs to z. All right, yes. Now first of all, look at this. Look at this here. 2 step of minus 2. What is the answer of this? Tell me.
0.
Make it fast.
0.
This is like, this is like, I would say this is a superstar. Very, very, very important superstar property. Humne bol sakte. You can say that. Yes. Tell me.
0, sir.
0. Great. Look at this here. If you have integer, what is the answer? You will get 0. That's what I got here. Is that it? Yes or no? आपको समझ में आ रही? Getting my point
Yes,
here.
sir.
If it is integer, look at this. Step of 2
Yeah,
plus step of -2, which gives you 0. Now look at this. So from this 2, from this -2, 0. All right. Look at this. If it is not an integer, now the case is, if it is not an integer, the answer will be always stays with what? -1. All right. If it is not an integer, it is, the answer will always stays with what? -1. देख लीजिए एक एग्जांपल अभी देखो example. So let's say that 2.1 and let's say plus -2.1. What the answer is going to be now? What is the answer of this? What is the answer of 2.1? Step of 2.1. 2. What is the step of -2.1? Let's see how many of you got it.
-2. Okay.
Not -2, but a wrong answer.
Minus 1.
1. Is it 1?
1?
1? Is it?
No. Hello. Yes, yes, Johan. You are saying something?
-1, sir.
-1. Then look at this here. Less than or
-3.
equal to. I said that less than or equal to. You must write the answer for any step of x function. You must write less than or equal to. Look at this here.
-3.
2.1 would be here. 2 would be here. So for 2.1, I'm writing 2, isn't it? That's what the definition in starting class for greatest integer function. When I was discussing the greatest integer function, I was told that, I just told you that you have to take less than or equal to 2.1. Answer 2 hota hai. All right. Now -2.1. I have -2.1 here and -2.1. Let's say -1 you have here, and let's say that -3 you have here. Now tell me, less than means left side values you must take, which means how come you get -1 here then? Yes or no? I told you you must take, always look after
-3.
left hand side values of that particular given integer. Look at this. Here he has given non-integer 2.1. Iska left kya hai? What is the left of this? 2. So I'm writing 2. All right. -2.1 you have. So what is the value of that particular -2.1 now? What is the step of -2.1? Tell me now. Hello?
-3.
-3. What would the answer now?
-1.
-1. That is what the condition here. Look at this. If it is an integer, dekho. If it is an integer with the same number, always you get 0. If it is non-integer, it remains -1. Hope it is clear. Let us not waste much time. We'll go for the next one. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, look at this. Guys, if any case integer, if k belongs to, एक minute. If k belongs to integer, then you can split in this way actually. All right. So step of x plus k, you can split it as step of x plus k. You can split like this. That is a property. That is a property. Yes. So first of all, look at this. Look at this example. If I talk about example, now if I take example, look at this. If I take k value as if I'm taking as 1, now I can still write this as like this. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. All right. Yes or no? Yes. X could be anything. K I'm taking हमेशा an integer. K should be हमेशा an integer. All right. K should be always an integer. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look at this. Now next property, very, very important. Look, let's make third one. So step x minus step x, which gives you 2 times of step x and 2 times of step x plus 1. This will give you when x belongs to z and when x is not belongs to z. Ye kya hoga? What happens here? What happens here? Look at this. See, in the first property, just try to understand the difference between the first and third property. In the first property, what has been given here? It is been given as plus. All right, when you are adding two greatest integer functions. Here, when you subtracting two greatest integer function, what happens? For example, when you take an integer, this is what your answer. When it's not integer, this is what your answer. For example, look at this. For example, guys, these all are notes for JEE Mains, both important, very, very important. You all use this chotu, like these chotu properties will be used in solving big questions actually. Please make sure that you are writing and noting down very carefully. All right. First suppose example देखो 2. Look at this here. First suppose if I'm taking minus 2. So what would be the answer now? What would be the answer now?
4.
So the answer of this is what? 2.
4. 4.
Yes, 2 minus. What would be the answer of this? What would be
Plus
the
2.
answer of
It
this?
would be plus 2.
Minus 2. So answer is going to be
2 plus 2, 4.
plus 2, which is going to be give you 4. Look at this. 4, which means 2 times of step x. 2 times of step x. I took step x as 2. So straight away you can say that if you know the property, you can straight away say that 2 times of modulus x. So step of x, not modulus. Please guys, modulus ये होता है, step x ये होता है. ठीक है? All right. So hope it is clear. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Say similarly, with it follows the same thing. If it is not an integer, you'll be getting 2 times of step of x plus 1. All right. Look at this. Let me take an example for that as well. एक बार बता देते हैं आपको. Look at this. First, suppose if you take 2.3 minus of 2.3. All right. Getting my point. So what is the answer of this going to be?
4.6.
2. And what is the answer of this going to be? Minus is here. And what is the answer of this going to be? What is the answer?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So 2 plus 3 is going
5.
to be 5. So what is my answer?
Yeah.
Look at this. 2 times of step x plus 1. 2 times of step x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
2
2
so what
times
was
of
the
step
2?
x plus
Let's
1.
verify. 2 times of step x plus 1. What is the step x answer? What is the 2.3 answer here? 2. So 2 times of 2 plus 1. Gives me 5. Look at this. 5 मुझे मिला है.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Did I get
Yeah.
or not? Yes, I got.
Yes, sir.
Very simple actually. Yes.
Yes, sir. It is
This is
simple
how-
indeed.
Sorry.
It is simple indeed, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you speak loudly?
Sir, it is simple indeed.
It is easy actually. Yes, it is easy.
Yeah.
When you apply examples and understand, it will be easy actually. All right.
Yes, sir.
So
It is
yes,
getting
you try
easier with the
remembering
examples.
this. Try remembering this. Need not to know verify by taking an example actually. So
Yeah.
see, remember, we are remembering. We are not mugging up everything. It is not that we are not understanding and remembering. Yes, you need to remember as a competitive, aspirant. You need to remember all this stuff for applying in a quick time. So
Okay, sir.
yes. So this is the third property which we can learn about. All right. Now. Guys, look at this here. And 1 second, children. 1 minute. अरे यार ये क्या हुआ? 1 second, children.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah. So this is what the today's session is all about, beta. Yeah, and yes, I understand today we couldn't solve many problems actually, but yeah, I'm sure we'll be solving more number of questions from the next time onwards. We had discussed today JEE analysis, so I'll be sharing that thing as well, and JEE syllabus also I'll be sharing with you all. Yeah. So and next after this function lesson, we'll be starting with P and C, which means like permutations and combinations. All right, is that clear? And hope it is clear with every one of you. And make sure that you are solving your worksheet problems. And today I'm going to give one more worksheet. On functions. It's a very important topic. Me board point of view, if you talk about your board point of view also, it's very important.
Okay, sir.
All right. So yeah, for JEE point of view also very important. All right. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Goodbye. And just a minute.
Sure, sir. No problem.
Yeah, 1 second. What happened here? Yeah. Thank you.